Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to learn Unit First, Be the Best poem. I hope that you all will listen carefully. Be the best. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley. But be the best little scrub by the side of the rail. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass and some highway happier make. If you can't be a muskie, then just be a bass, but the liveliest bass in the lake. We can't all be captains, we have got to be crew. There's something for all of us here. There's big work to do and there's lesser to do. And the task you must do is the near. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Douglas Malloch. Dear student, Douglas Malloch is an American poet and a short story writer. He is known for his writings, Be the Best of Whatever You Are. This poem is the inspirational poem and he observed the nature very deeply. In the poem, Be the Best, he uses various examples of nature. The poem starts by giving the examples of nature. In the first stanza, he says that if you can't be a pine tree on the top of the hill, he says, if you can't be a pine tree standing tall on the top of the hill, that doesn't mean you are not worthy to be a part of the forest. You can be a scrub, but be the best scrub in the valley, beside the rill. Rill is a short form of rivulets. Rivulets is a small stream of water. The poet is trying to say, be the best of whatever you are. In the second stanza, if you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass, and some highway happier make. The poet is trying to say that if you can't be a bush, be a little of the grass on the side of the highway. And here muskie is an example of fish named musculus. It is a rare and uncommon fish. And the bass. Bass is the liveliest fish in the lake. Bass is the favorite dish of the local Americans. Third stanza, we can't all be the captains, we have got to be crew. There's something for all of us here. There's big work to do and there's lesser to do, and the task you must do is the near. When he is giving the example of captain and crew, that the captain alone cannot sail the ship, crew is also important to sail the ship. Like this, in society, every work is important, just like doctor, engineer, scientist. People who do smaller jobs is also important, like plumber, road cleaners, and etc. are important as well. By giving the examples of highway and trail, sun and stars, he tries to explain success doesn't depend on size of our work. Success depends on how good you are at your work. In short, the poet is trying to say that all of us that no one should be ashamed of their work. No work is less important. If we be the best of whatever we do, success will be us. I hope that you understand the poem very well. Thank you.